Hi, so I'm going to teach you how to multiply and divide in Microsoft Excel. We will start with multiplication. To multiply, use the asterisk. Asterisk. This is the asterisk, the one that is in brackets. So you use that to multiply in Microsoft Excel. And to write a formula, we start with the equal sign, right? So the first method, you want to multiply 50 times 7. For the first method, you put the equal sign, then you type in 50. Then you put the asterisk times, and then 7 like this, and press enter. Your answer is 350, right? And then the second method, you put the equal sign equals, and then you select your 50 using your cursor like this, and it will be highlighted. Then you put your times like this, and then you select your 7, and then you press enter. That's 350, right? Then the third method, you say equals like this, then you type in product for multiplication. You see, Excel gives you a prediction for the formula, multiplies all the numbers given as arguments like this. Then you put open brackets, then you select the numbers that you want to multiply like this, and you close brackets, then you press enter. That is how you multiply using Microsoft Excel. But for example, you want to multiply more than two numbers. Suppose you want to multiply four, they are in different cells like this, these four numbers. You can use the formula first. The formula is equal to product, you type in product, open brackets, then you select the first number. This time you want to multiply all these four numbers, right? Then you write your colon like this, then you select the last number, then all the numbers will be selected, then you close your brackets, then you press enter, and you would have multiplied all four numbers. Or if you want to multiply 4 and 6 only, 4 and 6 only, and you want to use the product formula, you write equals product, open brackets, 4 comma 6, then you close bracket, and then you press enter like this. It is 24. So if you want to multiply adjusted numbers, you use the colon. This is the colon between the first and the last number. But if you want to multiply non-adjacent numbers, you use the comma. Now for division you use the slash. This is the slash in brackets. It is there on your keyboard. So if you want to divide, you use the slash. So for method number one, you put your equal sign, then you type in 750, then you put your division sign, then you type in 25, and then you press enter. Then your answer will come out 30. And for method number two, you put the equal sign, then you select the first number that you want to divide, and then divide by 25, then you press enter. That is how you divide in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching my video. May you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Free Tutorials ZW, for more video tutorials.